to the DG squad. I told you we'll be making slime, but it's just not what I told. Okay, let's get started. Come on, we gotta go get some waters. Wait, hey, go get some water. Go get the water. Get your cup. No, we both will share that cup. So, we get it started. Who you going to get the water? I don't know if it's going to come through or not. Yeah. Okay, let's start. You started doing it? Yeah. I stole mine up. A little. Okay, y'all can see it. Okay. I don't know. See, I don't know. We'll be back together. We both do it. Mine's coming out. Yours is? Yep. Dang, you didn't use that much water. I used a lot of water. Yeah, my slime. I have a feeling that your slime gonna be boring. It might be scratchy. Yours might be scratchy. It might not. Yours might not be scratchy. Oh, mine's gonna be scratchy. Mine's gonna be scratchy. Because I'm pouring little. Nah, I poured too much. I have a feeling. Nope. Wait, I'll be back. Me too, y'all. JJ, you left when you got no activator. Ah! Oh, no, you got activator. Where? You gotta do. Where? That's the activator?
Yes. Mix it.
You about to get a whooping.
Man. See, it activate mine.
Yeah. You can do mine.
I'm doing my own. You see how it's activating? You need some more Glade.
What's that?
The air freshener. But you can't do it.
Why?
Come on,
Mine working. Mine's just too, but I need just a little more Glade.
Me too.
Go get it.
Wait.
Go try to sneak it. I thought we didn't have no activator. Just oh. Oh, snap. This dude's still going in. Free. You can't get it.
one. Good. Come on, come and leave me. Oh, Molly, coming out.
I know, right? I feel a little too much.
Me too. No. I feel lit too much. It's time to
Hey, go get some of my mama's stuff. Hey, bring one of my mama's soaps in here.
stop.
Yo, I don't want. I got it. I know we should use. Not that soap.
Yeah.
I'm talking about one of them things in the cabinet.
What's so?
Just get one of them things in the cabinet. Don't act like you new to the house. I'm about to trade. Ooh, 6 minutes. Dink. Freak. Come on, Edwin. You're wasting my time. I got. It's better. I know.
I don't know what stuff you're talking about.
It ain't so. It just gets some out of there.
Dude, you made my way.
Dude, you just wasted. Oh my. Man. Man, these my new. Oh my. Oh. These my new pants, cuz.
No,
Cuz. Dude, shut up.
dude.
First. You talking about slime. Get your slime, nigga. My pants. What's wrong with you?
Why you say forget to slide?
Go get some.
Get some what?
Just get something out of the cabinet. Dude, I just told you that a while ago.
I get broke or soap.
Not, I'm talking about in the cabinet.
Ain't no soap in the cabinet.
It ain't gotta be so. Just get something out of there.
That black stuff.
Yes. Just get something. Free my bed. Aim. Hey, no.
Well, cancel it.
Sorry, camera. Gotta put this down. My.
No, you can't. That's how you knew it was cold. That's how you knew it was cold. Yes, some people laying down, he said, I ain't hungry. My mama said, get up, you get it, you get it. I just like, you my mama put that same old people that was like 2 minutes. I ate it. It was her second time. Second time. First time she took me to the dress. Oh, my mama cooking spaghetti. What you did? You said her mama. What about my mama cooking spaghetti. When?
sorry for leaving y'all in here that long.
We eating, y'all, so we go start in a minute. I already sprayed some of this in it.
I wasn't talking about that.
I already sprayed some. You say anything?
I should never say that. That's good.
Uh-huh. He don't eat this before. You do too.
You
More.
be quiet, cause you don't know how to speak correctly. Dang. Talking with food in your mouth. Really?
What is he talk? What? So big up.
No, I like it.
Ooh.
What, Mom?
We gotta get that fast.
Somebody stole something. Cause it was stunk. Who stole the cake?
Okay.
Who stole our cake?
Okay.
Oh, somebody stole it. You know you still got hot dog.
I have the
Let me see. What this is?
and then you.
So you brought an empty can?
You should have eaten one of these, Mom.
Oh, it was still in there.
Man.
Mom, see one that was going on?
I just got through eating. And I'm a little full. So. Bye.